Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the US dollar Japanese yen FX for Monday, August the 24th. The market is attempting to rally here today. It's attempted to rally into the cloud, and we know that the cloud or the Kumo acts an area of support or resistance, and we've seen downside price rejection after the market tried to trade up within the cloud. The market has closed within the cloud. And that actually tells us that the market is neutral at the moment. It's neither bullish nor bearish. But the market also found resistance at the Tenkan-sen, which is the green line here. And that Tenkan-sen reflected the downside momentum that this market had previously. And quite often when the market has some good solid downside momentum, it will find resistance at the Tenkan-sen. And the market's traded right to that point and then sold off. We did have a change of trend in the first time frame. Previously we had an outside day, previous to that we had an inside day, and previous to that we had a downtrend with a lower high and a lower low. Today is the first day that changes that trend because we have a higher high and a higher low compared to the previous candle. So we have an upside trend in the first time frame, but we still are in a second time frame downtrend where we have a series of lower peaks and lower troughs, and here we have a peak, a trough, a lower peak, a lower trough as we trade down here, and now we may be presenting another lower peak. If the market does trade down below the low of the current candle and trade down outside of the Kumo, then that will be potentially a continuation of that first time frame downtrend, and we will have an area of support down here at 93, roughly 93.40, and then down here at 93 where we had these two swing lows. And then we have a very strong area of support down here where there was very strong upside price rejection from the 92 level. If the market does trade up further into the cloud, we have potential resistance from the Tenkan-sen again, and then the Kijun-sen here, which has turned flat. We know that when the Kijun-sen turns flat, it tends to be an attractive price action, and that's exactly what's happened here, where the market's price action has been attracted back up to the flat Kijun-sen. If we do trade up above there, then we have the Kumo here, where the market might find resistance. The market will need to do a lot of work for it and have a solid breakout up above the Kumo with a very bullish breakout for there to be any substantial price appreciation. That's a fair way off yet, but the market will have to be very, very bullish to do that. The potential, though, as I've said, is for the market to continue in its second time frame downtrend, potentially for us to see a lower high and a lower low, and to find potential support down around the 93 level.